This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Kensier. Nestled on a premium preserve lot, this impeccably maintained Abbeyville floor plan home has been thoughtfully designed. As a part-time residence, it has been lovingly cared for and offers beautiful finishes blending elegance and functionality. The craftsmanship of the newer construction brings modern touches like higher ceilings and oversized windows that flood the interior with natural light, perfectly framing the stunning preserve views. With over $175,000 in options and upgrades, this home is truly exceptional. Upon entering, you are greeted by wood-look ceramic tile that flows through the spacious open-concept layout. This design creates an ideal space for entertaining friends and family. The well-appointed kitchen is a chef's dream, boasting upgraded white cabinetry, quartz countertops, an island with additional storage and stylish backsplash. Culinary enthusiasts will also appreciate the natural gas range. When the day winds down, the owner's suite is the perfect retreat. The owner's ensuite also enjoys upgraded finishes, private water closet, frameless glass shower and a generously sized walk-in closet. Hosting guests? The home's thoughtful split-bedroom design ensures that everyone enjoys their privacy. The guest bedroom is conveniently located at the front of the home near the guest bath and the versatile den, which can serve as a cozy workspace, relaxation zone, or hobby room with its French doors adding a touch of charm. Step outside to the extended lanai and you'll find that outdoor living is equally impressive, where you can enjoy the sights and sounds of nature, including wildlife and even the occasional bald eagle. With the HOA managing lawn maintenance, irrigation, fertilization and light pruning, you'll enjoy a truly low-maintenance lifestyle providing you more time to explore the endless activities and amenities in Webb. Located in the nation's #1 master-planned community, Webb is a premier 55-plus neighborhood offering a vibrant and active lifestyle. This highly sought-after community features an impressive array of amenities, thoughtfully designed to cater to your every need and interest. At the heart of the community lies the elegant 21,000 square feet clubhouse, a hub for social and recreational activities. Inside, residents can enjoy gathering spaces, a catering kitchen, game/card rooms, a library and Wi-Fi cafe. Fitness lovers will appreciate the state-of-the-art workout center, complete with the latest exercise machines, a group fitness studio and wellness programs. While the community's full-time lifestyle director ensures a calendar packed with engaging events and activities to suit every interest. The Lake House, a full-service bar and restaurant, offers a relaxing atmosphere with stunning lake views, perfect for dining or unwinding with a drink.